Ginebra is going to win this championship.
Ginebra is going to dethrone TNT in the Commissioner's Cup.
After more than 2 years, Ginebra is champs again. And malaking bagay dito. Makala getting into foul trouble at the end of the third quarter, having had to be seated for a couple of minutes. Momentum turning into Ginebra's way. And then they just pulled it out from there.
Coaching 13 points scored by TNT in the fourth period. 16 points in the third period. A total of only 29 points scored by TNT in the entire second half.
Yeah.
Defense ang nagpapanalo sa Barangay Ginebra.